Hey everyone, Joe here, and I thought this would be a great opportunity for me to talk to you a little bit about something kind of big that happened this year while we launched the Jewelbox Brownie. I'm sure you guys have seen it around, and I post about it and talk about it all the time, but I've never really unboxed one for you guys and shown you sort of how it works. So I thought this would be the perfect opportunity, getting ready for the holidays, a perfect thing to get for yourself, give to some friends. So why don't we do a little unboxing? I'll explain to you how it all works, and you can see inside the beautiful box that you get in the mail. So first of all, this is a beautiful logo designed by my dear friend Tanya Janther in Toronto, and we worked really hard to get a really, really beautiful design that evoked sort of something elegant, but also something kind of modern. And then you open up this beautiful box. And inside, this is to protect it from shipping so nothing moves around. You got a little protective paper there. Inside, you get a beautiful card that describes the Jewelbox Brownie to you. You get two amazing, beautiful packets of luscious dark caramel. You also get a package of what we call the Jewel Mix. That's a little package of goodies that you get that you're gonna sprinkle on top of your brownie. And then of course you get the amazing Jewelbox brownies in here. So they come in a 4-pack, and they're sealed so they stay fresh. And so here's how this works. You get a little card, it describes it to you, and it says, experience Chef Joe Notkin's ultimate brownie. Spread caramel equally over all 4 brownies. Sprinkle with our marvelous jewel mix. Devour within hours of decorating, or freeze undecorated for 3 months. Share the love. So you can take these brownies, order them now for Christmas. Take these brownies, take them out of the box, put them in the freezer, and they can stay in there for many, many weeks. Pull them out, leave them on your counter to thaw. And once they're thawed for about an hour, you can replace them in the box, put all the components back in, and you're ready to gift. So I thought I'd show you how I like to make mine, and then talk to you a little about the ingredients that are in the jewels. So you open up the brownies. You could always just take one out, one at a time, or 2 out. So I'm gonna take out 1 brownie. Let me grab a plate. Give it its own little plate. Here we go, beautiful brownie. Now what I'm gonna do is open, so you get one caramel is enough for 2 brownies. So I'm gonna open my little caramel packet. So half a packet per brownie. So I'm gonna pull it out. Oh yeah. And I'm gonna spread that all over the brownie. This is not only super delicious, but it is the glue for your jewels. So that's half a packet, goes right on there. You can see how nice and shiny it is. Okay, then I'm gonna save that for the rest of the brownies. Then I'm gonna open up my beautiful jewel mix. And the reason we package this way, in here you have some Italian candied oranges, so good. And then you have these beautiful, we candy these beautiful hazelnuts, so they're kind of an amber color. And the way this candy is, we don't want it to be near the oranges because it will get really sticky, so we keep it separate. So I'm gonna put the jewel mix is for all 4 brownies, so I'm gonna put a couple pieces of hazelnuts on there. And I'm gonna sprinkle over, in here is also some beautiful green pumpkin seeds and cocoa nibs, my favorite. I know I put those on everything. I'm really lately put them on everything. And I take out a few pieces of orange. I mean, it is easier when you're doing all 4 at the same time. So I sprinkle over a few orange pieces like that. And there you go. The beautiful and delicious Jewelbox brownie. And yes, I'm going to eat it for you. I actually never get to eat a whole one. I'm always talking about them and never eating them. So these are really rich and very decadent. You can probably share one. People say this is the best brownie you will ever have. I'm not just saying it. It is like the best brownie you will ever have. Inside the brownie, you have chunks of dark chocolate that we bake into the brownies. And then on the top, the way the oranges are kind of chewy and the hazelnuts are crunchy and the cocoa nibs are extra crunchy and kind of a little bit bitter. It's so good. It's so good. This is a great thing to send for the holidays. It's great for a birthday gift. It's great just for someone you haven't seen in a little while. Send this instead of sending flowers. And you can't eat flowers, as my friend Jen always says, but you can eat a really delicious brownie. So there you have it. The beautiful Jewelbox brownie. You get this beautiful little card inside. And eat up your brownie, guys. Hope you enjoy.